Camel toe! No, not that. This. What do you think of the camel toe? 25 shots, 500 grams straight shot. Fisherman's another one that's been given some good products lately. I don't know about that. Nice size looking tubes, 25 shots. It's got some weight to it. I know I've been going with the Magnus and the Raccoon a lot lately, but here we go. Let's check out some Fisherman Camel Toe. I should have saved this Camel Toe firework to light off with the nude beach one. I don't know how they would have looked together offhand, but just the names of them would have been a good little combo. All right, everybody, let's keep our eyes in the sky. Keep a lookout for the camel toe. Hit it. Oh, you camel toe, you. Oh, Fisherman, you did some good work. Nice. Sweet. That was a fine looking camel toe, if I have to say so myself. Woo! Drop a subscribe. Come on, do it. Hit the like button. Share it away. Peace out, Pyros.